Welcome. We're out here in Jackson, Michigan for police accountability. Word is on the street, DEI hires taking over the place, clogging it up here in the Jackson County D12 courthouse. We're keeping an eye on them, holding them accountable.
There you are again. Oh, you can always rely on you, huh?
Got an insane Karen, psycho Karen. Welcome. We're in Jackson, Michigan at the Jackson County D12 courthouse for police accountability, civil rights education, YouTube videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Welcome. We're out here in Jackson, Michigan for police accountability. Word is on the street, DEI hires taking over the place, clogging it up here in the Jackson County D12 courthouse. We're keeping an eye on them, holding them accountable, exposing their DEI up here at the Jackson County courthouse. Hit that like, hit that subscribe tab. The Jackson Court building. More rules and regulations. 1936. They've got it all fenced off, secured off now. Look at it. They really secured off the main entrance now. Now the employee entrance is all wide open. And there's the county sheriff.
There you are again. Oh, you can always rely on you, huh? Asshole.
Got an insane Karen, psycho Karen.
You got nothing better to do.
As soon as we get down here, we run into a psycho Karen. That didn't take long. We're at the Jackson County Courthouse. Here comes one of their detectives. Goes a detective Jackson County Sheriff Detective, Sergeant. Got his nice taxpayer vehicle that he drives every day. He's had that same vehicle for a while now. Maybe it's time they get him a new vehicle. Get the Sergeant Detective a new vehicle. Or not, let him keep driving the same old vehicle. Let me know in the comments. What do you guys think? What do the taxpayers think? I don't see him out arresting any illegals. These judges got these police officers focusing all their efforts on arresting the American citizen, putting the stand down order on arresting the illegals. We're here to hold them accountable. There goes a loaded with thin blue line stickers. Must be a police officer, court worker, major bootlicker. I don't know if we'll be able to get to it in time. You'll be able to see it in the video. What a great time to be alive. I'm so thankful, so grateful for each and every one of you joining us here on these YouTube videos for police accountability, judge accountability, holding them accountable. Don't forget to hit that like tab, hit that subscribe tab if you like these YouTube videos out on the front lines, First Amendment audits. More court workers coming out with their bags full of contraband coming out of the courthouse. More DEI hires. We're up here exposing all the DEI hires. Got word that DEI hires are stinking up the place here in Jackson, Michigan County Courthouse. We're here to find out. For we the people, the American taxpayer wants to know where their tax dollars are being spent. Looks like diversity over merit here at Jackson County Courthouse. That needs to change. We're here to hold them accountable here at Freedom News Now.